Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Embracing shabby chic. Butter yellow, gray floral, and powder blue whispers. Hey friend, let's talk about a design vibe that feels like a warm hug on a cloudy morning. Shabby chic. It's that sweet spot between worn elegance and playful charm, and today we're giving it a fresh twist with butter yellow and gray floral wallpaper. Imagine pale butter yellow petals dancing across a dove gray background, all grounded by off-white walls that let the pattern breathe. Then we're sprinkling in powder blue accents on the facade for a cheerful curb appeal. This isn't about perfection. It's about layers, softness, and a little bit of whimsy. So grab a cup of tea, and let's walk through every room together. Your entryway should whisper "Welcome home" the second you step inside. So let's paper one wall with that pale butter yellow and dove gray floral print. Keep the other three walls off-white to avoid overwhelming the small space, letting the flowers be the star. A slim console table in distressed white wood holds a chipped ceramic vase filled with dried lavender, super shabby chic. Hang a vintage mirror with a slightly tarnished silver frame opposite the door to bounce light around. Underfoot, a worn gray runner with a subtle floral edge ties the colors together without competing. Finally, add a little stool in powder blue. Yes, echoing that facade accent. For kicking off shoes, it's practical and pretty. Now for the heart of the home. Choose the sofa wall for your butter yellow and gray floral wallpaper, keeping the rest off-white for calm contrast. Toss a couple of dove gray linen pillows on a creamy white slip-covered sofa. Bonus points if the fabric is slightly rumpled. A low coffee table made of reclaimed wood, paint chipping optional, holds stacks of books and a single butter yellow candle. Float 2 armchairs in powder blue velvet near the window. They'll echo the facade and add unexpected pop. Sheer off-white curtains soften the daylight, making those floral grays look almost like soft clouds. And please leave a cozy knit throw tangled over the sofa arm. Shabby Chic loves a little mess. Your bedroom should feel like a secret garden, so put the floral wallpaper on the headboard wall only. Pale butter yellow blooms on dove gray. Paint the remaining walls off-white, and choose bedding in creamy white linen with a single powder blue lumbar pillow. Two mismatched nightstands, one white, one gray, hold a small lamp with a faded floral shade and a stack of poetry books. Hang a vintage chandelier with weeping crystals low enough to feel intimate, but don't clean it too hard. A little dust is character. A painted wood bench at the foot of the bed gets a cushion in off-white canvas and a tiny powder blue bow. Open the window slightly so the curtains breathe. Shabby Chic bedrooms smell like fresh air and dried roses. Keep your dining room airy by using the floral wallpaper on just the buffet wall, letting dove gray and pale butter yellow set a gentle mood. Paint the other walls off-white. Then find a weathered farmhouse table with scratches you can feel with your fingertips. Mix 4 mismatched chairs, 2 in gray, 2 in off-white, and pull in a powder blue china cabinet for surprise. On the table, layer a gray linen runner with butter yellow napkins tied in loose knots. Hang a single wreath of dried flowers and eucalyptus on the wallpapered wall. It echoes the floral without competing. Light beeswax candles in old glass holders. Their flicker turns those gray floral vines into dancing shadows. Yes, you can do shabby chic in a kitchen, but let's keep the floral wallpaper on just one small section, say the breakfast nook wall or inside open shelving backs. Paint all main kitchen walls off-white, and choose lower cabinets in dove gray, upper cabinets in creamy white. Add powder blue accents with a vintage step stool, a tea kettle on the stove, and a row of mismatched canisters. For the backsplash, use crackled white subway tiles with irregular edges, super shabby. Open shelves hold butter yellow enamel bowls and gray stoneware plates, all slightly chipped from use. Hang a small bunch of dried lavender from a cabinet knob, and never apologize for a dish drying rack on the counter. In a small bathroom, less is more, so wallpaper just the vanity wall with that pale butter yellow and dove gray floral print. Keep the other walls off-white, and find a pedestal sink with a chipped porcelain base. It's charming, I swear. Use a powder blue rug in front of the sink and gray towels folded unevenly on a white wire rack. A vintage mirror with a flaking silver frame hangs crooked on purpose, and a little butter yellow soap dish holds a rose-shaped soap. Over the toilet, a narrow shelf displays 3 small potted ferns. They love the humidity. Finally, swap the standard shower curtain for a white linen one with a ruffle at the bottom. It'll sway gently when you open the door. Let's step outside because your facade sets the whole tone. Paint the main body crisp white, Then use powder blue on the front door and shutters. If you have a porch ceiling, paint it the palest dove gray. It tricks the eye into seeing more sky. Add white window boxes overflowing with white geraniums and a few sprigs of purple lobelia for softness. A powder blue bench swing, cushion and off-white canvas invites neighbors to sit and chat. Hang a small wreath of dried flowers on the front door, mixing gray-blue eucalyptus with butter yellow straw flowers. And please leave the garden hose coiled casually by the step. Shabby chic facades are friendly, not fussy. Your garden should spill and tumble like an afterthought, so plant climbing roses in pale butter yellow against a dove gray wooden trellis. Weave in silver green lamb's ear and white hydrangeas for that off-white feel, then dot powder blue lobelia along the pathway edges. Use a cracked stone birdbath as a centerpiece, moss and all, and let a few weeds live if they're pretty. Scatter mismatched terracotta pots, some chipped, with gray dusty miller and white alyssum around the seating area. A wooden bench painted the same powder blue as the facade sits under a crooked apple tree, its cushion in faded floral fabric. End with a string of soft white lights looped loosely between posts. At dusk, your garden becomes a shabby little piece of heaven.